Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be working on this two-stroke auger. This was my dad's. He has given it to me. He has a strikemaster that he's using now. And this one here is a Jiffy brand. Has a 3 horsepower Tecumseh. It's the Stealth STX 10-inch with chipper blades. There's gas in it already, and I don't know the last time he ran this. I have no idea. You know, normally I'd be a bigger fan of going through the carb and stuff like that, but I kind of want to just see if it'll start. Should we try? Because the damage for the carb or whatever is already done. But yeah, Jiffy, 3 horsepower, chipper blade, 10-inch hole. I don't know if he bought this one brand new. It looks in pretty good shape, so he might have. I'll have to ask him. I push the primer and nothing happens. There's no sound. I got this lever down here for the choke. I honestly don't know which one's choked or not, but we're just gonna see if this thing starts. It might start. Oh, it's heavy. Oh boy. Pulls over. I wouldn't probably get lucky enough for this thing to start, that's for sure. Oh, did that just fire? I don't know if that just popped off or not. I'll put this choke kind of midway. Let's start. Move choke lever to the right. Okay. I think that thing just popped off. No way. Yeah, it's smoky. Okay, so that was on full choke. I'm probably gonna have to go through this thing. Whew. Definitely smoky. Very smoky. Not gonna lie, I'm tempted to dump the old gas out of this thing and throw some new gas in it just to see what happens. It's snowing outside. Let me turn on the back light so you guys can actually see. It's kind of like sleet. I like it when it's the sleet though, because it sounds the nicest. Here's my trick. Take like a long nose vice grip, pinch the line. Then you can remove the line and it won't drip out very much gas. And then you can get your little container set up and it'll dump into the container. Let's pitch you guys down here. That way you can see what color fuel comes out of this bad boy. So now we'll unpinch it. Oh, I suppose I gotta lift this thing up a little more. hang on. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty gross looking stuff. See it down there? So. Definitely maybe a lot of oil or like a lot of mix in there. Normally, you know, your gas is clear, bad gas is green. Definitely have a green tinge going in that gas, but it's almost blue-like, which makes me think it's probably just the mixed gas. Here's our old piece of fuel line. We got a new one here. So, just a good time to put one on there. Give this a little bit of a bath because it's so dusty. This was sitting, and Dad has like a dedicated spot in his barn for different pieces of like diamond willow, and I don't know if you guys have really seen that before, but he does. And this was sitting back there, so it's just dusty with kind of some wood shavings. We're just going to clean it real quick here. New fuel in there. Some fresh 91. I was able to find a spot by a lake that sells 91 non-ethanol. So it's 91 real fuel. Found it by a lake. Oh, now she's priming. Okay. Let's try this again here. So choke is all the way to the right. It's on choke. Really spins, holy macaroni. Alright, so the Jiffy here is running good. I mean, we put fresh fuel in it and then it was popping off and definitely very loud. But I could care less about that. But you know, people swear by Strikemaster. I'm sure some people swear by Jiffy. And honestly, you know, if you're looking to get into ice fishing or, you know, anything, even vehicles, this kind of counts. I mean, a brand is whatever, but people get, I think, way too brand loyal, where they think, you know, it's just the best, and you can't tell me otherwise. And for me personally, I find that a lot of that comes off of different experience, right? So somebody might have the best thing in the world, the best brand in the world, but they bought that thing brand new, and so yeah, it's giving them no troubles because it's brand new. And so I would say if you're looking to get into anything, if it runs good and it seems good to you, buy it, because that's all that matters. I mean, somebody would probably tell me that this Jiffy's junk, and I mean, it's just ran better in the last couple minutes here than my Strikemaster has for 2 seasons. So, yeah, there's upfalls and downfalls. This thing weighs quite a bit more than that Strikemaster. Spins the other way, which I thought was interesting, and it has chipper blades on it. And now that I know it spins the other way, the Strikemaster bit wouldn't work on it. It spins the other way, right? The corkscrew would be backwards. So, regardless though, just like I said with that electric auger, as long as it runs every time, I don't care if it's faster or slower than like that Strikemaster, that doesn't bother me. I just need the reliability of it. And you know, this thing's nice and heavy, so I won't have to hog on it. You're not supposed to hog on them, but everybody gets on there and they're pushing it down faster. You're just supposed to let like the tool do the work. And so the heaviness of it is good for that reason. You know, I can just hold it and it'll do its own thing. So we'll have to run out and pop a hole with this sucker to see how good it does, but I'm going to take a look at these blades on the bottom and we'll see if they need a little bit of touch up or not.